Yes, people, greetings. This is Mosha from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, new location in the Dominican Republic. This is part two of a series of video I'm going to share with you. This video is about the history of Sosua, the Sosua Beach Association, the project that is underway for Sosua Beach. Let's put it this way. Playa Sosua is basically going to be redeveloped. And there's nothing that anyone can do or say that's going to change that. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I have been here 12 years. I know a lot of what's going on in this country. I'm not into politics. I know the culture. I know what's going on. When I first came to this country, I didn't speak the language. Now I speak Spanish fluently. Like I said, the reason I'm making you this video, guys, is because I want to share with you guys what I know personally. And it's not hearsay, it's not what I listen to on the streets. Because if you are one of the person who get your information from somebody on the street, you are an idiot. And I don't care if you're upset with that, because you're stupid. If you get your information from the streets of the Sosua, from the people that's walking around on the streets, the people running around on the streets, and hearsay, what does that make you? And then, you know what makes it so bad? You share that information, that false information, with other people, and rumor spreads. The reason why I'm so stern about this is because before I tell you what's going on with Sosua Beach, it's already started. Okay? It's already started. I want to tell you of an incident that took place a day or two ago right here in my business. Okay? And I'm going to show you the type of mind that is here in Sosua, the type of mentality that people brings from America and come here to Sosua. You know, I'm going to show you the type of mindset that they bring, and they carry that gossip all over the world, all over here in Sosua. So whatever you hear about anything from any one of the guys you see sitting at these little kiosks or these little shops that they sit at, and they little gossip like old women. I see them as old women. They'll sit there and they drink their little poison, eat their little poison food and their little poison drink, and think they got something. You know, their little cheap food that makes them sick, you know. And then they talk, and then they feel they're on vacation, having a good time. Okay, now, the reason why I'm a little bit peeved is because you have this guy. I'm not even going to call him a brother. Do you know who he is? I'm not going to call his name. Okay? But I'm going to tell you what happened a day or two ago when I was sitting here. And as I said, before I get into the history and the story of Sosua, because I want to show you how people do not know nothing about what they're telling you. This guy walks up in here, right? He walks up in here. He says, I was on my computer with a headset. And he scrunched up his face, and his comments was, are they killing something? I hear him say, are they killing? So the moment I hear that, I took off my headset and I said, what are you talking about? And right away, I know that this guy have me up in his heart for a long time, just like a lot of people I know here. I have a lot of enemy, and I have enemies because they are jealous of me. A lot of so-called brothers are jealous of Mosha. I don't have to know that for a fact. Or hear somebody tell me that. I know they're jealous by the comments they make and the rumors they spread about me, because all I hear is what people are saying about you and this and that. And nobody knows me, brother. Nobody knows where I live. Nobody knows nothing. So he goes on to say, he says to me, you know, you have to learn how to talk to customer. You don't know how to treat customers. Who the F you think you is? F you, mother effer. F you. F you. That's why you don't have nothing. That's why your business don't have nobody. That's why you have nothing here. You're always begging money. They kick you off the beach because you don't pay your rent. And I'm sitting there listening to this idiot, this asshole. And I'm caught. Listen, in the end, you know what I did? You know what I did in the end? I made peace. You know why I made peace? Not to make peace with him. because I realized that this fool was just spitting out what he heard and he can't do no better. He know who he is. So he can come back up in here and say whatever he wants to say. He know who he is. This same brother, I tried to help him before, him and his friend. And then I said to them, look, because I have a lot of connection with land, I have land. So he's telling me, you have nothing, you're always begging money, you're this, you're that. But check this out, guys. I started my business with $2,000 on the beach. And I'm not going to tell you the rest of the story. So now, I am in a new location. I have a 4-wheel bike, I have a brand new scooter, and I have land. I have almost 2.5 acres of land in 2 different locations. Okay? Plus, and then some. So this fool is coming up in here telling me I have nothing. He's totally disrespecting me and he don't know nothing about me. Okay? He might be surprised when he hear this response because I made peace with him. But I'm saying this because I'm Jamaican. And Jamaican people, we don't embrace hypocrisy. And he's a hypocrite. And he's jealous. Okay? Because when these people come down here and they see you with something, they're coming from America struggling with nothing and they see you got something, they are jealous. A lot of them. I have a lot of people that supports me. Then he says, oh, your food stinks, your food is this, everything negative. Your food, you think your food is this and you think and the moment he start talking about it, I know that this idiot is jealous. Okay? And the moment he starts saying, oh, you don't know how to treat customers, you better learn how to treat customers, I know he's jealous. All right? I know he's one of them people that come down here that see a brother with something and rather than embracing, they're jealous. Oh, I come to support you and you're treating me like this. But he come in here not to ask me a question. He comes up in here to condescend as if I know what they're doing. You understand? As if, look, I know. Are they killing? I said, what are you talking about? Because it's very quiet. Oh, your business is this, your business is that. There's nobody in your business. I had somebody come to support you. Listen, guys, let me tell you something. Why I'm telling you, don't listen to gossip. You come on vacation, be on vacation. Stop sitting around with these idiots who don't know nothing because you're going to be ending up like this fool. Okay? Now, I have been here 12 years. I was the first Jamaican restaurant on this island. The first one. No matter what you hear, no matter what you see, I am the first authentic. If you want real authentic food, I make it. Okay? I've never bragged that my food is the best. This fool is talking about, I think my food is the best and my food sucks. That's fine. That's his opinion. He's entitled to it. So the moment he started putting me down, and I lost respect for him. And the reason I lost respect for him, I was having a discussion with him a while back. And I was sitting with an acquaintance that was somebody that came to my restaurant. And he was talking about dollars and cryptocurrency and all of that. So I started to make a point. And he jumped and attacked me again. And he says, oh, you always act like you know everything. You act like... And this dude don't know me from Adams. He's telling me that I act like I know everything. But what I found out with people like this is there are a lot of people that are inferior. And when they see that you know, they want to be number one. You understand? And when they sense that you know and you come across like you know, they try to belittle that. When you're not paying their ego any attention, you see, they sense that you know. And they sense that where they're coming from is gossip. So he attacked me and you know what I did? I didn't speak. I didn't say nothing. I just blocked him from my phone. I didn't say nothing more. All right? I just leave him alone. Second time he came up in here, came up to buy something, which was fine. I was very busy. I didn't have time. I had the girls was taking care of him. Oh, you got beer selling for this and 400 pesos. Look, if you can go get a red stripe for 200 pesos, 150, or a Guinness, go buy it. And if you don't like the price that I have, don't buy it. But don't come up in here telling me this and telling me that. But I knew that he's jealous. And I'm saying this on air because I don't care for friends like that. I don't care for people like that even coming up in my business because they're hypocrites. Those people will kill you because you see their face but you never see the heart. Those type of people I really don't want around me. I don't even want their support. I don't even want his support. I don't want even come here and buy a bottle of water from me. That's how I feel about those type of people. Okay? So I kind of end up making peace with him. Right? When I say make peace, just because I know that he's a fool. And everything he was saying was garbage. And it didn't even worth it. And because my spirit wasn't angry per se, you know, I tried to make peace under those something. But he's not my friend. Because he's jealous. All right. So, and there's a lot, he's not the only one. There's a lot of jealous people. I mean, people have all kind of criticism to say about me and my restaurant. And these people have nothing. They don't have a restaurant. They don't have a business. They come up in here, try to tell me how to run my business, and they don't have one. You know how difficult it is to find people to work in this country? It is the most difficult thing that I've ever encountered in my life. Because the girls here, they don't want to work. No matter how much you pay them, it's not going to make no difference. Okay? And for weeks, look, I have to make beef patties, I have to make juice, I have so much things to do. And I can't do it. Every time some girl come up in here, they either don't speak English, I have to leave the kitchen, come out, and translate for them. You know, but I say, all right, at least I have somebody in the front, or I have somebody to stay here until I run around. It never works. And there